The, the group got to work to survive. Jake, the most resourceful, lead the building of shelter, used calling branches and leads. Mark, who loved fishing, made a fishing rod from bamboo stream. Brian, who knew about plants, searched for edible fruits and roots. They turned into weeks as they learned to fish, gather fruits, and collect rainwater. They explored the island and found hidden caves, beautiful lagoons and old stone ruins covered in vines.
Chapter 4. The Secret of the Island. One day, while exploring deeper into the jungle, Ethan found a strange stone tablet with a symbol on it. It seems to tell a story about a lost civilization that once lived on the island. The group spent their evening trying to understand the tablet as they figure out